We begin with a question you've likely heard all day. Did you feel it? Everybody's asking that.
I know. Did you?
No, I did not.
I didn't either.
This morning, a 4.8 magnitude earthquake shook the East Coast. Thanks for joining us at 6. I'm Glenn Jones.
And I'm Priscilla Casper. Experts say today's quake is the strongest to hit the Northeast in more than a decade. It hit just before 10:30 this morning. The epicenter was near Lebanon, New Jersey. That's about 260 miles away from Boston. But the USGS says it received reports of people feeling those impacts even farther north than the U.S.
NBC 10's Eli Rosenberg caught up with a few of those people today. Eli, everybody is talking about this quake.
And today we're learning a lot about earthquakes in New England with a professor here at the Weston Observatory calling this a once-in-20-year event. And at 10:23 this morning, they knew here it was not going to be a normal Friday.
What we have here is the arrival of the first wave of the earthquake.
At the Weston Observatory.
The strongest waves are actually here, and they arrived here at Weston Observatory about 40 seconds after the first wave.
Tracking today's earthquake felt from New York all the way up through New England.
Today is exciting and insane all at the same time.
The earthquake hitting at 10:23 this morning. Alerts immediately going off for Professor John Ebel, a senior research scientist here.
I looked at it and said, oh my goodness, 4.8, New Jersey, wow, that's a big earthquake.
But it wasn't just Professor Ebel. From coffee mug shaking in Lowell.
I felt all of a sudden like, am I going to pass out?
To Sarah Whalen Winter feeling it in a Boston suburb.
I was sure it was internally me. And then I was like, oh, crap. It's the house.
And Miles Howard felt it sitting at home in Jamaica Plain.
At first I thought that one of my housemates might be doing some kind of a DIY project involving sawing.
No major reports of damage in Boston. And that's by design, the experts tell us. Building codes here were updated in 1975 to make buildings better protected from earthquakes. Code that has been updated several times since.
We'd already just had Northeaster. We have an eclipse coming next week. Who had earthquake on their bingo card?
And throughout the day, they were watching that seismograph closely to see if there'd be any big tremors in the area. No reports of any injuries or property damage in the New England area. And the professor we talked to says this is a good reminder that yes, we get nor'easters. Yes, we get snowstorms. We can also get earthquakes. And it's a good time to be prepared for the next time the ground shakes. Live in Weston, Eli Rosenberg, NBC 10 Boston.